there, glamorous. How are you doing today? I hope that you are feeling as glamorous as you look. You're gorgeous. So today we are going to start on some tips, and we're going to paint them this gorgeous Modelones cream. It's a creamy color, and it comes from that little collection, Spring Garden. I think it's, no, Secret Garden. Took me a second. We're going to put this cream color on 3 of the nails. These nails are going to be a super fun and sophisticated St. Patty's Day set. Not all the glamour babes really want to rock a shamrock, although there are a couple nails you could add that to on here. But if you just want to, represent the colors and the vibe of the holiday without getting too cutesy with it, because not everybody loves a cutesy nail. And if you love a cutesy nail, I love you to wear those nails. And if you don't love a cutesy nail, I love you to wear your sophisticated nails. I usually tend more toward the more sophisticated nails, I would say, although I'm not sure a lot of the nails I wear would be called sophisticated because they're very bright, but glamorous, and there you go. That's good enough for me. So now what we're going to do is a little line work. We're going to come in first with a beautiful green, that same green that we painted on one of the nails. And we're going to just do a whole cuff outline all the way around it. I'm getting a ton of Snapchats right now from one of my daughters. I really hope they're pictures of my granddaughter. Her birthday is coming up, and so her mom really sucks at not giving the presents as soon as she has them. So she's been sending me a lot of pictures of her getting presents. So now while that is curing, I'm going to start the next nail, and that's just going to be a real simple line down the middle. But we're going to start by doing the outside portion of the line with the green. Now I do want to full disclosure it for you guys. There was another nail that didn't turn out how I had anticipated it. I didn't like it. I threw it away and did a third one. In the end of the video, while I do show you making the new nail for sure, but for some reason I didn't get me top coating the set on camera. So I do apologize for that bit of missed footage. I'm not sure what I did there, because I actually did this set a few days ago, and normally I do edit these a little quicker than that, but let's not even get into the reason why that didn't happen. It just didn't happen. And there you go. What are you going to do? So sorry, I was yammering on, but I'm coming in with that gold color that we painted the pinky. And this is, if you watch the swatch video, and I will go ahead and link that for you. If you watched the Model 1 swatch video, then you are going to know what color this is. It's that gorgeous gold that's just a full high opacity gold. It's not, I just totally bumped you right there. I'm so sorry. It is not just a gold glitter. A gold glitter came in that set. Go watch that video after this because you're going to love it. It's an awesome little 6-pack. But this gold is just, I love it. I love it. It's rich and just so sophisticated and fancy. I just really love it. Now we're taking that same gold and coming down next to those green lines. I needed a little more. There's the bottle. I needed a little more. Sometimes you do not anticipate how much you're going to need. Plus I did that other nail that did not come out well. So I used a little more than I thought I would. So we're just coming in now with the gold. Now I will say that unless you're really looking at the nails, you don't notice that the third color is black as much as I thought you would. But you can see, when you really look at it, you can see that it is black. But if you're just glancing at the nails, the green and the black really sort of read so similarly that you don't notice it. But the effect is really pretty. Isn't that just so pretty? I am really a fan of this set, and you don't have to do it in these colors. If you're not feeling the vibe of the green, gold, and black, you could totally just do this in spring colors or winter colors, or just black, just a single color, something like that would be really pretty. You could add some stamping with flowers on this, which as springtime comes, I'm sure something like that is going to happen on the channel. So there's a lot of variations that you could do with this. Instead of doing a cuff, you could just do some lines. There's so many ways you could do it. So now we're going to come and do the third of the cream colored nails. And this is just going to end up being a really easy, simple chevron French. I'm placing the lines where I want them, just to make sure they're nice and straight. Then we're going to come in with the actual brush from the polish itself. And this is from the Mefa Perfect 20 collection. And I'm just going to fill in that space because it makes it a little easier. And I think that when you're trying to fill in a big space like that with a liner brush, it ends up being a little bumpy, and I don't really love that. Now we're coming in with that gold again, which I think it pops so much against that green. It is really pretty. And looking at the set now, I may have just stayed, if I redid this, I might just stay with the green and the gold and not even introduce the black because it is so close. I mean, even looking at it on the little palette there, the little tray, it doesn't look that much different. So I think I might have just stayed with the green and the gold, but it's fine the way it is. I like the black. It looks pretty. And when you really look at it closely, like right here, you can definitely see that it's different. But, excuse me, I needed to clear my throat. But it's a very effective look. I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. A little bit of cleanup going to be needed on this one. But, you know, I'm the queen of cleanups. I love my cleanup brush. Yeah. Okay, that was cheese. Do you need some crackers to go with that cheese? Oh my goodness. Guys, here's the finished set. I really hope you enjoy my sophisticated take on the St. Patty's Day trends. Thank you so much for watching. Click those buttons and we will see you next time.